Hi friends, how are you all doing? Today I'm going to make my first unboxing of something that I got recently for a watch, and excuse me if I don't do it correctly. I haven't prepared anything. I just want to open the box or the envelope and to see what's in here. So I just got it from FedEx. From Italy, from Colared. You can imagine that I am talking about a watch strap. So I was supposed to pull here. Okay, I am opening this way, and here I have it well protected. This is the bubble wrap around it. There's a nice envelope from Colareb, Italy, in Rome. I mean, it is very nice. Okay, and here is the strap directly. I don't know how exactly do I supposed to open this. I don't want to break anything. And here it goes. Oops, something fell. And here is the strap. It really looks nice, like in the pictures. Here is here is a small card, and this is the strap. Made in Italy, 20 millimeters. It looks awesome. Very nice. You can appreciate the quality of the strap. So this strap, here's a little bit closer look at the strap. I think it looks fantastic. I'm going to put the strap in this watch. It's been a long time that I wanted to change. This is from cheapest NATO strap. It's quite nice, but it wasn't good finished and I had to wax it. But it's not the same quality as other watches, other straps that I have used. So I think this is going to look very good. Well, actually it's a quick spring bar, so I can change it. I can change it right now, so I'm going to do so. Excuse me 1 second. Here it goes. So here is the watch with the strap. I think it looks fantastic. What do you think? Do you think it looks nice? It's very thick. Good quality. Very good quality. Nice buckle. Distressed. I really liked this strap. I'm going to try it on. I have my L'Oreal Neptune Series 3 here with me. Cracking watch also. I really wanted to put it on. And I'm going to put the Trasca. Excuse me 1 second. The leather is a little bit stiff, but I think it will break in very easily. Well, happy so far. I will try the strap for a few days and I might make a review about it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any experience with Colareb and their straps. If you want to have a review about it, I will make a review of the Trasca long term long-term use of the Strass Casamateur that is going to be overhauled for next year, and I have already reserved the green one. So, well, thank you for watching this small unboxing, and see you soon. Bye bye. Sorry, I forgot to mention, this is the Firenze model. Firenze. It is thick, vintage, and I think it looks amazing. It's going to be a great companion for this exploring watch. Again, thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.